veg au gratin is basically baked vegetables. Is originated in France, basically French, but it can be baked in grill or in oven. So today I am showing you how to cut vegetables first, then I'll blanch it. I have already blanched vegetables over here. Out of that I am making au gratin. So we required, first of all, for au gratin white sauce. White sauce is one of the mother sauce in hotels. We have a 6 mother sauce. White sauce or bechamel is one of them. Putting butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. It's in a low flame. You can use bay leaf also. This is one more ingredient for making white roux. Just melt the butter first. Then you add 1.5 tablespoons of roux, like flour, basically. Remember one thing, when I'm making this roux, it has to be like a low temperature, otherwise it can be burnt. So I'm making this thing, and this roux is already made. Now you just reduce the temperature of your pan, and then you gradually add milk on top and stir it, otherwise it become a lumpy. White sauce, the basic white sauce, one of the main ingredients in 6 mother sauce. White sauce is called bechamel. So I pass through this thing. Very smooth. I have already blanched vegetables. You can use what vegetables do you have at your home. It can be broccoli, it can be carrots, it can be zucchini, it can be cauliflower, it can be green peas. You can use this thing also, runner beans, whatever you feel like to use. First of all, put some little of garlic in it, in the pan. Nicely sauteed. Now I'm adding this vegetable in it. Pre-blanched vegetables. Oregano. Not too much, just dash of this thing, rosemary, fried rosemary. Mix it nicely. Now putting a little of white pepper in it. Salt in it. White sauce in it. Which you already made. Now you can adjust your temperature of this thing. It's nice. Mix it well. Or whatever you have. and you have a preset vegetables in it. It should have a tight mixture. You can use fresh herbs also. Put some grated cheese on top. Because it's give a good color after baking, and a little of saffron. We already soaked saffron in milk, so a little of saffron gives you extra flavor and color in it. Now this thing I am putting in an oven, preheated oven at 180 ° centigrade for 8 to 10 minutes. For dinner and or lunch, you can serve it like this way.